Hey guys, and welcome back again to Brave Night. Today I'm gonna show you how to go barbecue without paying anything. All we're gonna need is an old aluminum foil and a small wood stick. And that's it. First, cut a small piece from the foil. And second, shape the foil just like that. After that, we were gonna use the small wood stick to dig a holes inside it. Just like that. And that's it. Now it's done and ready to use. Yeah, we did it. How easy is that? Now we need some wood to burn. If you are dumb enough, you can buy some wood stick and burn them. Please don't do that. Just buy some coal or use your mind and search for some wood. And this is what I found. Now you have to cut them in small pieces so you can put them in here. I guess this is enough. Now we are ready to go barbecue. Are we actually ready? The answer is no. You have to convert this wood into a charcoal. If you already have charcoal, skip this step. If not, just follow me. So now all we're gonna need is a strong can. Just like that. Of course the bigger will be better, so you can put a lot of food inside. Anyway, after you have this can, now it is time to dig a hole in the top cover, just like that. And that's it. Now the can is ready to use. Put all the wood inside, just like that, and close it. Make sure it's completely closed and there's no any air hole except this one. After this step, kids, please don't do that at home. And finally, put it on top of the stove. Just like that. When the wood gets hot, you will gonna see a smoke coming out from the hole that we dig before. After that, it will release a flammable gases. When this flame goes out, try to flame it again and keep doing that over and over. When it's become so hard to flame, this is a sign that our charcoal is almost ready. Turn off the fire and put it away to cool down. I guess now it's time to open it. So let's do it. Ooh, look at that. It's black. It's scratchable. What is this? Let's see. I don't know if you can see or not. Take some. Look at that. Yeah. We did it. And no waste. It's all turned to اسمه ايه؟ اسمه فحم نسيت. It's all turned into a charcoal. Cool. Yeah, look at that. A free charcoal. Until now I paid nothing. And now we are ready to do it. So now all we're gonna need is a tray, charcoal, fire lighter liquid, matches, water in case of anything happened, a corn, small wood stick, And finally, a place to put all that together on. This is a tray and a sand. And this is all what you're gonna need. So yeah, let's do it. First, prepare the tray and put the circle beside the aluminum plate. Now put the fire liquid on. Just put a little bit, don't put a lot. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, that's enough, I guess. And now it's time for the magic. Woo! Wow! Once it's ready, add the core. I guess now it's done. I know the shake is not a huge amount, so did it make it 100% ready? But I'm gonna eat it anyway. Yup, it's completely hot and eatable, I guess. Yeah. Anyway guys, I hope you liked it. If I did anything wrong in this video, just please tell me in the comment, and if you have any new idea, keep just telling me also. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. And now let's eat that. Yeah.